Ever wonder how organized people keep complex projects on track and teams moving forward? It's through great project management. And 90% of businesses view it as a critical part of their strategy for remaining competitive. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step roadmap to gain skills and confidence you need to run projects smoothly, even if it's your very first time. By the end, you'll see how starting small and building up your expertise can open doors you might have never imagined. Let's explore the pathway so you can begin building your project management journey today. Here are basics in 4 easy steps. Phase 1, build the fundamentals. Getting started in project management is all about learning to keep things organized and people working together. Think of yourself as the one who brings order to the chaos. You turn a group of ideas into an actual plan. Before anything else, every great project manager masters these building blocks. Communication to keep everyone on the same page, organization, which helps control the chaos, and time management, making even the big jobs feel more manageable. Also, become familiar with popular methodologies like Agile, Scrum, and Waterfall. Practice by managing a small project. Try a club initiative, a group assignment, or even a personal task. The goal is to get hands-on experience with planning, execution, and follow-up. You can even practice with a family or friends. Did you plan a trip? That's project management in action. Phase 2, master core tools. Once you've got the basics, it's time to get familiar with tools like project managers use daily. Don't worry, you don't need fancy software. Many pros start with free or simple apps, and it's all about how you use them. Practicing with these tools, even on smaller projects, will make you much more confident when bigger challenges come up. Trello or Asana for tracking tasks, Google Sheets for scheduling and budgeting, meeting notes and status updates, which help you communicate clearly to keep projects moving. Mastering these tools on small projects builds the habits and confidence you'll need to handle larger, more complex projects with ease. Phase 3, specialize and get certified. Pick an industry such as tech, health, marketing, or construction, and learn how the project management fits that space. The more you understand the environment you want to work in, the easier it is to tailor your skills to real-world needs. As you build your confidence and skills, it's also helpful to start thinking about where you want to go next. What type of projects get you excited? Tech launches, nonprofit events, creative campaigns. Specializing and earning certifications can set you apart and show the world you're serious. Start with an entry-level credential, like CAPM or Google Project Management Certificate. Then aim for advanced certifications like the PMP or Scrum Master. Supplement your learning by joining online PM communities, participating in webinars, and using practice quizzes or simulation exams to track your progress. These activities also help you network and stay up to date with industry trends. Certifications don't just prove your skills. They also help you develop specialized knowledge for your chosen fields and give employers confidence that you're ready to handle real projects even without years of experience. Phase 4, portfolio, projects, and launch. It's time to start applying what you've learned. Projects are where everything comes together. You get to see your skills in action and really shine. But you don't wait for your dream role. Start managing something real right now. Whether it's a club event, a freelance gig, or even organizing a community activity. Documenting the process and results and use them to build your portfolio. A great portfolio will make employers take notice. Need some ideas to get started? Number 1, volunteer to run a project, help a nonprofit, or join a student club initiative. Number 2, keep track of your approach. What was the goal? What steps did you take? And what was the outcome? These details show your impact clearly. Number 3, then create a digital portfolio. It could be a simple website, LinkedIn showcase, or even a slide deck highlighting your projects and results. When you build your resume or portfolio, focus on achievements over responsibilities. For example, delivered campus event 10% under budget tells employers exactly what you accomplished. Project management is a powerful way to turn ideas into reality and keep even the most chaotic projects on track. Everyday project managers create clarity out of confusion and give teams the confidence to move forward. That's the skill you've started building today, and it's something that grows with every challenge you take on. Each step in this roadmap, from learning the basics and mastering the tools to earning certifications and showcasing your work, moves you closer to becoming a confident professional project manager. Whether you're planning a small event or leading a big initiative, Starting small and managing something real is the key. Along the way, make sure you document your progress, celebrate your wins, and share your journey with others, because your development matters and your experiences will inspire others to take action. What's the first project you're going to tackle? And what's your biggest goal as a budding project manager? If this guide helped you see what's possible, subscribe for more practical roadmaps and career tips. Keep learning, keep applying, and remember, every step you take makes a difference. Let's move towards project management success together.